A multinational company, an IT company, which is laying off 12,000 employees. And the shocker is most of them are mid and senior level professionals. So by this time, you know what is the organization. In fact, I'm discussing about this for a very long time. Like this could happen for any organization, for any of you who are in the mid and senior level professional. So why you or why the mid and senior level professional is your experience becoming a liability in the technology? So today we're going to break down on what's happening, how it affects you, and how to secure your future in this new era of AI and automation. So firstly, let me give you an introduction about what has happened in terms of the layoff. So 2% of the IT organization that's uh, laying off is 12,000 people. And just imagine it's not just 12,000 people, it's 12,000 families, right? And they are, I mean, the layoffs are focused mainly on the mid to senior roles, and it's not to entry level. And you know what? The entry level people, they know what are the AI tools and how to use it. So I was again and again telling the same point. You are not going to lose your job to AI, but instead you're going to lose your job to someone who knows AI. And the entry level people are those people who know how to use or how to effectively use the AI. So the I mean like comes after multiple IT majors in various countries. Either they have started to freeze the hiring or they started to reduce the headcount. And the reason is due to macroeconomic uncertainty, and due to AI driven disruptions and a need to optimize the structure. So these are the reasons which are cited. But on top of it, this is not just cost cutting, it is a strategic shift. So how the mid and the senior roles are getting hit by this change. So let's talk about why the experienced professionals are being let go. And it's not just about the salary, because we know even an entry level people who are like 3, 4, 5, 6 years are getting a very good number of amount of salary. But it's not about salary, it's about the skill stagnation. Yeah, that's one point which I'm iterating for a long time. If you haven't updated your skills in 5 plus years, in the last 5 plus years, you are seen as a less agile. So please keep updating your skills. And then the role redundancy. So many senior roles involve coordination, project management, or regular legacy systems now, which is being automated or streamlined. They are being automated now. Yes, you, even if you don't believe it or not, yes, most of your role are getting redundant. And then the flattened hierarchies. So companies are removing layers of management to become leaner. So that's why you're getting flattened hierarchy. There are no more going to be any hierarchies. And AI, yes, there's nothing to afraid of it, but AI are really taking over the thinking tasks. Even the strategic planning and the analytics are now being assisted by AI tools. So let me give you a quick example. Previously, I remember there is at least there is a person who have to do the MOM, the minutes of meeting, and who has to summarize what actions someone has to do and who is supposed to do that action. And now your Microsoft Teams is doing it for you. So just imagine that particular role is getting redundant. I'm just giving an example. There are like several roles like this. So we know, when because of that teams, like we know who is supposed to do which task and when he is supposed to do it, completed deadlines, task assignee, everything is being documented, everything is being automated. So that particular role is getting redundant. So how are you going to equip yourself? How are you going to keep yourself competent? So the painful truth here is, yes, years of experience does not guarantee relevance anymore. So please keep yourself, upskill yourself to escape from the point of role redundancy. There are no more flattened hierarchies. So AI, yes, is taking over all the thinking tasks. So make sure that you are upskilling yourself. So what this means for you. So if you are in your late 30s, 40s, and 50s and have spent over a decade or two in the industry, so you might be feeling vulnerable right now. So, but here's what you need to know: you are not obsolete, but you need to reposition your value. So when I say reposition, yes, you have to upskill yourself. You likely have deep domain knowledge, so that is your advantage, right? So use it to pivot into advisory, solutioning, or transformation roles. Your leadership can still matter, so if it is backed by modern tools and strategic division. So make use of AI. Do at least one certification. So when I say certification, it's not just like doing dump stuff out of it, but understand what the AI does it for you. There are lots of other things like you have LLM, you have MCP, you have AI. I will definitely say there are a lot of opportunities. Don't keep yourself redundant, keep yourself upskill, and your experience must translate to impact, not just yes. So you must create an impact, right? So let me just give you some action plan on how to protect and future proof your career. So audit your skills. So are you still working on outdated tech or platform? Switch it. Get AI literate, not just how to code AI, but how to use the AI tools to make decisions, to automate the processes, or to drive the business value. And learn cloud plus data strategy. There are core to enterprise tech today. So please start learning the cloud, please start learning the data strategies, strengthen your business acumen. So when you need to speak the languages of ROI, the return of investment, not just the delivery. Build a thought leader profile. So write on LinkedIn, share case studies, mentor, let people see your thinking. Do start doing it. Become a leader, become a thought leader. Consider certifications in fields like product management, AI, ML for non-tech leaders. I'm saying it can be even a Wharton, a Stanford, or even a LinkedIn certificate. Take Learn cloud architecture. There are a lot of roles which are required for the architecture roles. Remember, companies are not just firing people, they are reshaping the roles. It's not just something personal with you, it's about reshaping their roles, reshaping their strategy. So if you reshape yourself, you will still be in demand. So finally, the organizations, the very big organizations move is just a warning sign, but it's also an opportunity, I will say, because anytime when you see a challenge, it's an opportunity. So you can either cling to the past or create your brilliant future. So if you are a mid or a senior IT role, ask yourself what value do you bring that AI or automation cannot, right? So thanks so much, Vantal, this for watching this video. So comment below if you're navigating your career uncertainty or if you want to know which direction to move in. Subscribe for real practical advice, and this channel is for IT professionals who want to stay ahead of the curve. Thank you so much. See you all very soon. Take care and bye bye.